Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how do I stop algae in my pond? There are a few ways to combat algae, such as adding beneficial plants or aquatic life. But if you're looking for something easier and faster, just use some pond dye. Pond dye filters out UV light, preventing photosynthesis from taking place. As a result, that will minimize algae growth, and it will also give your pond a healthy blue color. To use pond dye, pour it in at the edge of the pond and let the current disperse it all around. It's 100% non-toxic and won't harm humans or wildlife and won't stain birds or fish. You can swim in the pond after the pond dye is evenly dispersed. If you swim too early, you might end up looking like a Smurf. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. But if you're looking for something easier and faster, just use some pond dye. Pond dye, pond dye, pond dye, pond dye. To use pond dye, did you see my hands in the end of it? Did I look nervous? I look like I wanted constipated or something.